The flames are on their way out, but threats to air and water remain as the 1-mile evacuation order stays in place for a fourth day after a fire erupted at a grease factory in Rockton, Illinois. Naomi Coles explains the science and the risk.
A lot of this comes down to air quality. Officials said in a press conference on Thursday that so far, all of the monitoring is coming back looking good. It's staying stable, under dangerous levels. However, health officials aren't yet ready to give the all clear on health impact. 4 days since this explosion, Chemtal's parent company says your health is safe.
We're doing everything we can to support the community.
Experts like UW chemistry professor Tim Bertram, as well as public health officials, say not so fast.
It's premature to come to any conclusion about the impact on health, both in the short and in the long term.
It's the particles that make smoke visible that worries them. Those particles represent chemicals that usually don't fully burn up.
We want to know what the chemicals were that were actually burned, and then you want to know how completely it was combusted.
So far, officials say air monitoring results are coming back stable, and samples from debris are coming back with negative contaminants. But the evacuation zone does remain in effect.
If you take out that dust, and if it's something that's contaminated and you travel around the county, it's kind of like coronavirus. You're spreading it around.
Because so far, results are still incomplete.
It's kind of like a finger stick for your blood glucose versus a laboratory testing to diagnose diabetes. We want to confirm those results.
But this week, fighting the fire also meant a new concern. The EPA is investigating after 35 gallons of foam that likely contained PFAS was used on Tuesday morning.
We ordered that stop, we ordered that operation stopped, and we ordered them to use non-fluorinated foam.
It's the Rock River that's one of several environmental elements that officials are fighting so hard to protect. Thursday morning, officials said that some unfluorinated firefighter foam did make it into the river, something they said they got pretty quickly on cleaning it up. In Rockton for News 3 Now, I'm Naomi Coles.